So my name is Alex Sufit, otherwise known as Lexitricity as a director, and I'm here on the jury for the first time at FILMETS. It's fantastic. I've been presenting my films here for the past 2 years, and last year I was speaking to Augusti and he suggested maybe I come back this year as a jury member, so it's a great privilege. The last work I did was a music video for an X Factor finalist in the UK called Kitty Bracknell. And I got her to jump out of a plane. Okay, well, I have to say that this was whoever decided who these jury members were going to be was really looking for trouble, because they put Spanish, Catalan, French, and Italians together. I mean, this was a lethal combination. If you wanted to have structure, you should have got a German or an Austrian in there, because basically you just had this bunch of Mediterraneans all shouting and screaming at each other across the table, drinking a lot of wine and eating way too much food. But we did make a decision in the end.
You got it.
Yeah, it just took a lot of time and a lot of coffees. Well, in the jury we were, but the festival itself is incredibly international. So you have people from all different countries. I mean, I just met some Quebecois downstairs. You have English, you have all different nationalities there. So, and in the past I've met Russians, I've met Chinese, I've met all kinds of people. So FILMETS is truly international. And it's kind of cool because, you know, Badalona is quite a small place, but it sort of attracts a really nice kind of person. I can't quite explain it, but there's a little bit of magic in this festival. I think it just attracts people who have a really good spirit, and they have great ambition, and they're really passionate about filmmaking. So these are the sorts of people I want to be with. Bravo FILMETS!